Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Are you ready to take a look at our morning message and get started for our week? All right, let's start with our morning message right here. You read with me. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Monday, November 30th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Our new letter this week is I. What sound does the I make? Do you remember? I, iguana, igloo. Wonderful. It's a vowel, so we use I a lot. It helps us stick letters together. We'll talk more about that later. We also have a new color word. Can you guess what it is? It is the color of Santa's boots. What color is Santa's boots? Black. I can't wait for you to hear our new song. It's so fun. Our new kindergarten words are see and me. They even rhyme, see and me. Very good. All right, with our letter I, like I said, it sticks words together. A lot of times you're going to see it in the middle here, and that's where we have it right here. So we're going to push these sounds together to make a word. You ready? All right, let's push that first sound right here. P, in, pin, pin. Okay, let's go to the next one. Push each sound up first. T, in, tin, tin. It's like a metal. Okay, here's our next one. M, in, min, min. And that's a pretend nonsense word. All right, last one. In, fin, fin. Fin like on a fish. All right, let's read these words right here. See, that's our new kindergarten word right there. And we've had it quite a bit in our guided reading books. Am, is, blue, brown, orange, can, at, go, like. Good job. Love, Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. All right. Oops. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. Let's go back. There we go. Our letter of the week is our letter I, and we'll be talking about that during our guided reading time, during our Zoom meetings. All right. I think we need to go further down. I think we need to go to 50. Are you guys ready to count with me to 50? All right, here we go. 1, whoops, let me move it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job, boys and girls. Now let's count down. We're going to start at 20 and go all the way to 0. Whoops, there's my, here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Great job, boys and girls. All right. I went too fast. We're going to make an ABC pattern. Since tomorrow starts our new month of December, I switched it up a little bit and put some fun December pictures. All right, so I'm going to make an ABC pattern, so I need 3 different pictures. So I'm going to do the gingerbread man, wreath, flower. Okay, so that's my pattern. I'm going to keep going. Gingerbread man, wreath, flower. Then we keep going. Gingerbread man, wreath, flower. There is my ABC pattern. All right, we talked about that new color word, and it is black. So we're going to listen. Oops, I'm going to turn my light back on here. We're going to listen to our black song. Are you ready? Here we go.
I thought there's not a book or a song about plain old black. Oh, yes, there is. B-L-A-C-K spells black.
B-L-A-C-K spells black. Flying bats are black. Scary cats are black. Jelly beans are black. I like black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Sunday shoes are black. Santa's boots are black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Good job. Here we go again. B-L-A-C-K spells black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Flying bats are black. Scary cats are black. Jelly beans are black. I like black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Sunday shoes are black. Santa's boots are black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Great job, boys and girls. We'll practice that, and I'll also send a link later on your seesaw so you can listen to it over and over. I love all the things, the scary cats, the bats, jelly beans, Sunday shoes, and Santa's boots. All are black. Wonderful. Let's take a look at our sight words. This was last week. Brown, but we have a new one. There's our black, B-L-A-C-K. Orange, red, gray, am, the, blue, at, can, go, is, like, see, that's our new one, me, that's also our new one. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's take a look at our seesaw activities for today. We have some fun ones. All right, first one, this is your find it. You're looking for the kindergarten word see, all right? Sometimes it's in capital letters. There's see, look at this one right there, see. Some of you are missing the ones in capital letters. Make sure you look for them all, capital and lowercase ones. And then you're doing the same thing with me. You're looking for me's, all right? Look for them all and make sure you put that green check mark so I get to see it all. And the last thing you have to do up here, it's gingerbread counting, 0 through 20. It's kind of like putting your numbers in order, but some of them you're missing. So you have to write the missing number in the gingerbread man. So if you're starting at 0, what should this be? Yeah, you should write a 0 on this one. Then you keep going like you're counting. 0, 1, okay, put that number there and you just keep going. When you're done, make sure you send it to me because I want to see your great work. All right, then as far as for videos today, you are going to be doing your math lesson 4.1, okay? You're comparing numbers to 10 and your handwriting, C and O in your handwriting book. You have your handwriting book now, so look for your page C and O, all right? putting your numbers in order, 0 through 20. You have your cards. You need to put those in order and then send a picture. You can watch the video first so that it can remind you how to do it. But you should already know how to do it. But make sure you send it to me because I want to see where you're at. And then certainly not least, but the last one, number 4, it's the story Mango, Abuela, and Me. And that's the story that you got from your book sponsors, all right? So we'll put a recording of that story on so you can listen to it and follow along in your book, all right? We do have our Zooms today, small group Zooms. They're the same time that was posted on your sheets that were sent home, so there's no deviation from that. So make sure that you are ready at those times. Again, make sure you use the bathroom and have eaten before your Zoom meetings, okay? And have your materials ready. Otherwise, you're wasting a lot of your learning time, and I do not want to do that. All right, and then go ahead and pick a couple apps that you enjoy to do, maybe Starfall, maybe Imagine Learning. You get to pick, okay, today, and I'll spend a little time doing that also. And then, as always, we want you to have a super wonderful day. Any questions about anything, please message me or call me or whatever. Get a hold of me, and I want to help you so that I can help you in your learning. Okay, boys and girls, I look forward to seeing you at your Zooms today. Please be there and be early and ready. Thank you, guys.